Hi friends, welcome to My Sew Bliss. Today I'm excited to share with you my thoughts on my new sewing chair. This is the Koala SewComfort Chair, and Baby Lock Sewing Machines sells them and sent it to me to try out, and I did not know how good a sewing machine chair could be until I got this. So I wanted to share with you some real thoughts on why I like it so much so far and what makes it so good. I will say the sewing chair I had before this one, I bought like at Walmart. It was when we were in college. I had no money and I just kept it for years and years and years. Now I do have a different one upstairs from IKEA that's not very comfortable, but it looks better than my, like, what was it, like probably $40 Walmart chair. But so it had the looks, but it didn't have the comfort. The Walmart chair it was just a chair to sit on. It didn't have comfort, it didn't have support, and it didn't have looks either. So when I saw this one, the Koala SewComfort Chair, I was really excited to try it out and see what the hype was about, because this is an award-winning chair. I've heard really great things about. It has lumbar support and height adjustment as well. So I was like, okay, what is the hype about? What makes this so great? What makes the chair award-winning? Now, I've had it for about a month now. I've sewn for a few hours at a time, multiple times in this chair so far. So I feel like I've been using it pretty well, and it's been going really well. And one thing I did not realize as I've gotten older is how much support I do need when I'm sewing and the difference it makes. So when I say support, I don't just mean like sitting support and like height adjustment. So this chair, there's a lever right here to adjust the height. First of all, it goes so high. Like, do you see how high my table is? It's like the same height. This is like a regular height table. I also have my like adjustable table. This is like from Costco over here. And really with this height, I could sit at the adjustable table height, which is like a standing height. My feet, if I sit all the way back in the chair, my feet don't even touch the ground, and I'm 5'7". So I'm gonna say that's like it's a lot of height. It's really good. Obviously, I'm not even in frame anymore. Now, this is the lowest. So if I come back over to my table, it's pretty low. My feet are like flat. It's a good lowness, I guess. It's good with how low it is. Also, I will say, someone asked me about like rolling on the carpet. I mean, it's not bad. It would be helpful to have like a mat underneath. Also with a rug, which the edge is like right here, if you can see that. I don't suggest that because it always gets stuck on the edge. It's not even the carpet. The carpet's not the problem. The carpet's fine. I could roll on the carpet and like it would be fine. It's the rug that I get stuck on, and only because it's right on this edge. And I did try to move it, but I have so much stuff on it that I'm like, it wasn't worth it to me yet. So we'll see. Eventually, I'm sure it will be. Okay, back to, let me stay on track here. Back to the support. What I'm talking about when I say support is back support, like how straight your back is right here. So you can kind of see this is kind of what I've normally had it at, which right here it has this support right here. What is that called? The lumbar support? I don't even know, but I will say I feel it. I feel this support. And one thing when I have been sewing, I've noticed that, so this lever right here, I can adjust this. If I just adjust it like slightly, it helps so much with my posture and how straight my back is, which in turn helps with my shoulders, which is another thing. I'm like, I hunch over a lot when I sew. I'm sure we all do. And with that back support, it helps. I will say I probably need like some posture support as well. But the lumbar support makes a huge difference. Now let me show you the adjustment range on this. It blew my mind when I put this together. Okay, so you pull it up. Look at how it still like blows my mind. Look how far back it can go. Like I feel like I could lay down and take a nap. And if I leave that lever up, it like is adjustable. So I can just move as I want, as you wish. Which I guess is nice. I don't know. I'm trying to think when I would use that. Like if I would use it like this. Maybe if I'm standing up and like getting up and down and moving so much, maybe that would help. But when you push the lever down, wherever it's at, it stays in that spot. So now when I go, it's not gonna move. And that's what I mean by that support right here in this lower back helps so much. So I'm gonna pull it up and then like, okay, if I lean it back slightly, I'm gonna do it a little dramatic so that you guys can really see it. But like, okay, so now it's not gonna move from this spot until I adjust that lever again. So then I can like set it up and put it in place. And now I have like really good posture while I'm sewing and it's really nice. And again, that support is super helpful. Now, if I wanted it like all the way back, I could do that too. And it would stay all the time. And I could just stay like this and take a little nap back there. So I've really been impressed with that feature. And I obviously didn't realize how important it was and the difference it would make for me in my sewing. So I feel like if you're sewing a lot, if you have back issues, it's making a huge difference. Like I sew a ton. I also have back issues. And I get achy a lot from sewing, and I feel like this has helped a lot. Now, is this like I was expecting it to be like super soft and cushiony, but I feel like instead of that, it's structured enough to hold your weight to make it comfortable for long term. And that I think is what's more important. We don't want cushion that we're gonna sink into, and then especially like within a year, that cushion is gonna get saggy and not be that great. This I feel like is gonna last. Like it's solid. And that's the type of chair that I wanted and I was so excited about. Another feature that I didn't think about but has been nice, and this is more not necessarily when I'm sewing because I'm not going to put my feet up when I'm sewing, but this little foot like bar right here, I do find myself like resting my feet on sometimes, especially if I make the chair higher. I'm like, oh, that's actually quite nice. So if you're working at a taller table, I could see that also being very helpful and like nice for people to like rest their feet, rest their legs, so that you're not sitting at these like weird angles. So that being said, if you can't tell, I'm really, really loving this chair. With the month that I've had it, it has been a game changer. It's been really good for my back, my posture, and how I feel after I sew, which has been really great. One thing I forgot to mention, this color. So it comes in like 4 or 5 different colors. This is the jade. Some pictures that I saw of it, it seemed so much brighter. So I was excited. It's like a little more green and really pretty. I mean, it would be cool in some fun prints, but honestly, I think that would be harder to get everyone what they wanted, if you know what I mean. So really doing this is going to be the best. And I think it's nice because it like blends into your sewing room and just works. And then you can also choose the wood color, the wood finishing down here. And I just did the white. Everything else in my sewing room is white, like all the furniture. So it worked out nicely. But so far, like I said, I just love it. And it swivels like so smoothly all the way around. And let's get it back on the actual rug and I can show you the movement a little better. but it's not, I mean, it's definitely like a little harder to move around on. It takes a little more effort, but like it's carpet, so that's kind of what I was expecting. But you can always get one of those mats underneath. So if you have questions about the Koala SewComfort Chair, leave them in my comment section and I will get back to you and help you get those questions answered. But like I said, I've been loving this chair. Now, if you're interested, I am going to be doing a giveaway in 2 weeks on my Instagram for a Koala SewComfort chair. So make sure to go follow me on there so that you can enter the giveaway when it's time. Like I said, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe for more sewing tutorials, tips, tricks, and information on all sewing goodness. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.